Software engineering is a fascinating field that combines creativity, logic, and problem solving to build the digital world we live in today. At its core, software engineering is the systematic application of engineering principles to software development. This means we don't just write code, we design, develop, test, and maintain software systems in a structured way. Let's break it down. The Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, is a crucial concept in software engineering. It consists of several phases: requirements gathering, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Each phase plays a vital role in ensuring that the final product meets user needs and is of high quality. In the requirements gathering phase, we work closely with stakeholders to understand what they need. This is where we gather all the necessary information to define the project's scope. It's like laying the foundation for a house. If the foundation is weak, the entire structure can crumble. Next comes the design phase. Here we create blueprints for the software. This involves architectural design, where we decide how different components will interact, and detailed design, where we specify how each component will function. Think of it as planning a roadmap before embarking on a journey. Once the design is in place, we move on to implementation, where the actual coding happens. This is where creativity meets technical skill. Programmers write code in various programming languages like Python, Java, or C++. Each language has its strengths and is chosen based on the project's requirements. After coding, we enter the testing phase. This is crucial because it ensures that the software works as intended and is free of bugs. We conduct various tests, including unit tests, integration tests, and user acceptance tests. It's like a dress rehearsal before the big performance. We want everything to be perfect. Once testing is complete, we deploy the software. This means making it available for users. But the work doesn't stop there. Maintenance is an ongoing process where we fix bugs, update features, and ensure the software continues to meet user needs over time. Software engineering also emphasizes collaboration. Agile methodologies, for instance, promote teamwork and flexibility. In an agile environment, we work in sprints, allowing us to adapt quickly to changes and continuously improve the product based on user feedback. Moreover, software engineering isn't just about writing code. It's about understanding the problem we're solving. It requires critical thinking and the ability to break down complex issues into manageable parts. We often use design patterns and algorithms to create efficient solutions. In addition to technical skills, soft skills are equally important. Communication, teamwork, and time management are essential for successful project delivery. After all, software is rarely built in isolation. It's a collaborative effort that involves multiple stakeholders. In conclusion, software engineering is a dynamic and ever-evolving field that blends technical expertise with creativity and collaboration. It's about building solutions that not only function well, but also enhance the user experience. Whether it's developing a mobile app, a web platform, or complex enterprise software, the principles of software engineering guide us in creating innovative and reliable products that shape our digital landscape.